Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Begin by checking the screen for the word Safe Mode in a corner. If you see that label, then the phone booted into diagnostic mode. Look for disabled apps or limited functionality as other signs. Open Settings and swipe down the Notifications panel to find additional Safe Mode hints. Make note of any system messages that mention Safe Mode or Safe Boot. These steps confirm the phone is indeed in Safe Mode before you proceed. To exit Safe Mode, try a normal restart using the power button first. Press power and choose Restart, or power off then power on after 10 seconds. If a normal restart fails, perform a forced reboot by holding power and volume down for about 10 seconds. After reboot, check whether Safe Mode label is gone and apps behave normally. If Safe Mode returns, then uninstall recently added apps via Settings and restart again to confirm resolution. If Safe Mode persists, use Recovery Mode to clear the cache partition on Android phones. Power off, then press Power plus volume up to enter Recovery and choose Wipe Cache Partition. On iPhones, update iOS via Settings or Finder to resolve software faults. Avoid unknown apps and monitor permissions to prevent future Safe Mode entries. Back up your data and use a factory reset only as a last resort when all other fixes fail.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.